Hello everybody, it's me Robin. If you want to customize this default WooCoomerce email design and text, then this tutorial is for you. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster and we will make more useful tutorials in future. So we are going to customize this default WooCoomerce email. We are going to change for cancelled order, for new order, even order received. Every email so we can customize, and we are going to show you how to do this. You have to go on your WordPress dashboard first, and then we need a plugin. So hover on plugin and then add new, and then from the search box search WooCoomerce email designer. Then you will see in the top Cadence WooCoomerce email designer by Cadence WP. So we have to install this plugin. So click on install now, and now simply activate. After activating the theme, you will get a new option under WooCoomerce. This is the new option, email customizer. So simply click on here, and now you will see simply the default email layout and the text. So we can change from here, and you will see a pre-built templates. You will get some pre-built templates. If you want to use one of them, then you can. So first we have to select email type and text. This is the new order type. You can change from here: new order, cancelled order, customer processing order. All the email you will get from here. You have to select which one you want to change. Suppose we are going to work with new order, then select it, and then you will see some text, new order text. If you want to change new order text, then change from heading. Great news, new order. Then you can set a subtitle also, and here you can see here a body text. We can change it. Hey, great news. And here we'll show the customer full name, and then the order is as follows. If you want, you will be able to add more text and additional content. In the bottom you will see additional content. Congratulations on the sale. If you want to change this text, or if you want to add more text, you can do it. Changed. So you have to simply save, and there have bill address and order details. All the text you can change from here. Go to container, you will get some options here also. Container width you can increase or decrease, and you can select a background also. Suppose you want a red background behind the container, and we can select black, whatever you want. You can do this. Suppose we are going to keep this color, and container width you can increase, this content width, decrease, so increasing more. And border radius also, can you look at here, this called border radius. From the fourth side it will be work. So 5 pixel is okay. And border top width, border top we can use. Border right width, you can use a border behind the content box. And container top padding, if you want to add container top padding, you can also add this. Save. And after that, header. From header you can add header image in the header, or you can add a background in the header. Suppose you want to use your logo, so add a logo. Can you see, here is the logo, so you will be able to use your logo at the top, and image align you can make it in left, center or right. We are going to keep in center. And background color, if you want use a different background color behind the header, you can do it also, but we are not using any background color. And back, and in the heading you will get some options. Suppose if you want to change this heading font family, then you can change it. Korean New. We are going to use Lokida Sans Unicode, so this is okay. And heading font weight, if you want to make it more bold, you can do this also. And heading text color you can change to any color. So we are going to use this color. And subtitle, if you want to change the font size of subtitle, line height, font family, you can do this. And subtitle color also you can change. Click on save, and then you will get more options. Content, here you can see here all the contents. So under the content you will get options for these contents. Content heading style you can change from here, and H2 color you can change here. You can see here those are H2. If you want to change those color, you can do it also. Suppose we are changing to black, changed. And separator color you can also change, but we are not showing those because those are really very easy. You can change it by yourself very easily. And content text style, easily you can change the size of contents. Suppose 14 pixel to, we are making it 16 pixel. Line height, font family, you can change everything. Link color, you can change the link color also. Here some links, if you want to change, you can do this also. Suppose red or this color, you can change those very easily. And content text color, if you want to change the text color, then just make it full black. Save. And then back. Order items. Order items you can change from here. If you want to set a image option, then you can do this. There will show the product image, but do not show. Product image size you can select from here. And order table background color, this table background color you can change also. Suppose red or other color. So this one fine. And you will get some more options to customize the fields. You will understand. Save. And addresses, if you want to change the addresses of sections, then you can do also. So click on addresses, and addresses box background color we are going to change again. Suppose we are going to same like this or black. Billing address is black, and then you will get other options. If you want to change the alignment, you can do it. If you want to make them in center but left is okay. I am just showing the all options. So save and go back. Pattern styles you can also change. Those are really simple things. And now footer we are going to customize. So footer style, footer background color, okay, black. Now the padding on top and the bottom is not same, so we are going to decrease the bottom padding. So decrease, I think 20 pixel top and bottom is okay. So this is okay, and then save. Now footer social. If you have any social media, Facebook, YouTube, you can use also here in the footer. So we are going to add a social media. So we are going to use Facebook, and then here put the link. Our Facebook link is facebook.com/RBN Web Solutions. So copy and simply add, and then put our social title. If you want to use any title, you can do this also, but we are not using title. We are going to use just the icon. You can save it, but Facebook icon is not showing because the Facebook icon color is also black. That's why not it's visible. So we are going to change to white. You will get three options: white, black and gray. So now our Facebook icon is showing. So save, and then back, and footer credit content. Can you see here a credit option? So we are going to change this footer credit, and you can change the alignment also, and font family also we are going to change, and then text color, and bottom padding and top padding 0 0 is okay. Now here site title, from here the site title will show automatically, and now if you want to change the text, then you can do it. Suppose website by RBN Web Solutions. We are making this clickable, so a tag, and then close the tag, link up our website now, and then change, and then save. Now can you see it's a really cool template? Now you can change it very easily. Now suppose for cancelled order you want to customize, then what you have to do, you have to back, and then you have to click on email type and text, and from here you have to change new order to cancelled order. Then here will show order cancelled options, and then you will be able to change the text or whatever you want. If you want to customize other email, then you have to select from here actually. So failed order, suppose we are going to change for failed order, then we have to select from here which emails you want to customize. We recently customized the new orders just for an example. Now if you want to see the preview, then simply back and then send preview email. Click on here and to this email, then click on send email, and you will get a preview on your email. So in this way you can easily customize the WooCoomerce emails. But one news, it's really important. You can see here there don't have a lot of options. You can customize the default layout just, but we are making another tutorial where you will be able to add elements. You can change or you can add videos, you can add another products, you can add another new links. Just you have to do drag and drop. Here you will be able to add new sections. We are going to show you another new method where you can do very easily. We are going to show you the new method. So please subscribe our channel so that you can get the new amazing tutorial in the next video. So stay connected with RBN Web Solutions. Thank you.